Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you how to make patterns with high-level cubes. The main principle of it is that by swapping the center blocks on each face, the center blocks are allowed to form different patterns through color differences. Let me show you the formula you need to make the patterns. At first, I'll show you by A 3×3 cube, up, left, down, right. As you can see, the center blocks of the cube are exchanged. Use this formula on the high-level cube. The same reasoning applies, up, left, down, right. Then we can also exchange any center block of the cube. We can also exchange several blocks at the same time. By skillfully applying this formula, you can easily make a variety of patterns. Do you understand?